disaster strikes, the Filipino spirit rises. From the heart of Luzon to the islands of Visayas, compassion travels on wheels carrying food, medicine, and hope for thousands of families rebuilding their lives. This is the story of Bayanihan in motion. This is the PCSO Aid Caravan to Cebu in Masbate. October 5th, 2025. From the Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office Headquarters, a major relief mission rolls out an initiative powered by the PCSO in partnership with the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority and the Light Rail Transit Authority. The destination, two provinces struck by tragedy. Masbate, where Typhoon Agadam left devastation in its wake, and Cebu, still recovering from a series of powerful earthquakes that shook homes and hearts alike. This caravan carries more than supplies. It carries a nation's promise. Over 18,000 Cheritimba food packs, 4,000 evacuation kits, 664 boxes of medicines, and almost 8,000 additional relief items donated by authorized agent corporations. In total, Philippine peso 50 million worth of assistance carefully packed, loaded, and sent to reach as many as 25,000 families.
Sa Cebu ay 5 dump truck, 3 bus, 11 basic transport vehicle, 11 ambulansya, at ang tutuloy naman po sa Masbate ay 6 na wing vans, malilit na truck po ito, at saka 1 ambulansya po. 2 po dito, isa po dito sa truck na papuntang Masbate po ay patungo pong Boreas Island. Yung isa naman is Tigaw Island. So yun po ang destinasyon po ng ating mga sasakyan po. Bale, so far since binagyo po ang Masbate, we already have sent worth almost 50 million in value in terms of goods and medicine, and excluding transport cost po ito. Marami pa pong dumarating. Nakita niyo naman po, may mga hindi na po namin na isakay ho sa sasakyan sapagkat puno na po yung mga sasakyan natin. Yung iba pong tulong na darating po ay isasakay po natin sa C-130 ng Office of Civil Defense at saka sa vessel po, sa barko po ng Coast Guard patungong Cebu.
Sir, ano po yung mga laman ng Cheritimba?
Yung Cheritimba, may bigas po tayo doon, may tubig, may noodles, may dilata, may flashlight, at mga sari-sari po. At ang evacuation kits naman po natin, may kumon, may tuwalya, may mosquito net po, may flashlight din po, may chinelas, may toothbrush, may mga gamot din po tayo para sa lagnat, para sa masama po yun dyan, at may mga vitamins po tayo dahil exposed po ang ating mga kababayan. Yun po ang padala po natin.
May second batch mo kaya ito?
Meron po, kaya nga kami po ay nananawagan sa aming mga kababayan. Bukas po andito po yung ating administrator, si Administrator Cabrera. Bukas po yung mga estasyon natin during operating hours para tumanggap po ng karagdagang tulong. At ito po ay ipapadala natin through the Office of Civil Defense sa Coast Guard.
Sure.
Of course, may mga ahensya po na pwede rin naman po, na ibang ahensya po na pwede naman po magkaroon ng sariling caravan po.
Expected darating po yung mga
24 hours po. Biyahe po, minimum 24 hours po ang biyahe natin. Ganun din po ang Masbate at saka Cebu. Mas mahaba po yung Cebu, pero yung daan po sa Masbate mas mahirap po. Kaya parehong 24 hours minimum ho ang expected po natin. So pinakamaagang dating po diyan.
Sir, may mga challenges pa po ba pagdating po dun sa area? Meron pa po bang mga daan na hindi pa passable?
Sa Masbate po, may mga daan na hindi passable, yung mga nagdatumbahang puno. So, ang branch office naman namin doon, sila naman ho ang nakikipag-ugnayan sa local government units para alin ang uunahin, yung pwede na hong bigyan kaagad na mararating ho natin, bibigyan ako natin kaagad. Sa Cebu naman po, nakikipag-ugnayan din po ang ating branch office doon, nakikipag-ugnayan sa local government units, especially through the leadership of our governor, Cebu Governor Paricuan. Of course, bringing goods to Cebu and Masbate is a challenge. The other challenge is distributing them properly and quickly. So, yun ang nakikita po naming challenge sa ngayon. Mabilis po tayong nagpapadala, pero dapat po mabilis din po tayong nakakapag-distribute sa mga nangangailangan, at ang challenge po dyan is equal po, systematic po at efficient yung ating distribution. So it's a whole of nation approach so ang kailangan po natin dito. Kinakailangan po natin magtulong-tulong sapagkat sakit po ng kalingkingan ay sakit ng buong katawan. Magkaroon lang po tayo ng konting aberya, ay apektado po yung buong chain of distribution natin. Kaya tayo po ay nanalangin.
These are more than just numbers, says PCSO General Manager Melquiades A. Robles. Behind every pack and every delivery is the compassion of a nation that stands with its people. In Cebu, the caravan arrives by Landa convoy of PCSO buses, PTV service vehicles, and MMDA trucks. Here, every bag of rice, every medicine kit, every simple gesture matters. PCSO and its partners were among the first responders on the ground proof that help is not only immediate, but enduring. The message is clear. Government service does not stop at headlines. It continues, one family at a time. In Masbate, 6 PCSO wing vans and a PTV unit make the journey across land and sea to Barias and Ticao-2, the hardest hit islands. Relief operations here mean more than logistics. They mean reaching those often left behind. In cooperation with local government units, the caravan delivers not only food and medicines, but also reassurance that the nation sees them and that no island is too far for compassion to reach. In a joint message, PCSO General Manager Robles, MUNDA Chairman Ramando Artes, and LRTA Administrator Hernando Cabrera echo a single truth. In every calamity, Filipinos have shown that no challenge is too great when we come together. The aid caravan is more than a mission. It is unity in action. And it reminds us that compassion is the most powerful force that moves this nation forward. The caravan also invites the public to be part of the movement. Donations can be dropped off at any LRTA station, because every small act of kindness, every canned good, every bottle of water, every coin becomes part of a much greater force of compassion. From the cities to the islands, from Metro Manila to the shores of Masbate, the PCSO Aid Caravan reminds us that charity is not just an event, but a way of life. In times of crisis, distance does not divide us. It connects us through the unbreakable Filipino spirit of Bayanihan. Because when we move together, hope moves with us. And in every corner of the nation, passion finds its way home.
We already know, judging from what is happening with the blessings of our Lord, we are hoping that we will be safe in our journey and be able to reach the remotest areas that need most our support. Not with us today is the Office of Civil Defense and the Coast Guard, but we would also like to thank them as being the first responders. Alam niyo po, nung dumating po yung bagyo sa Bicol area, tinamaan ho ng gusto ang Masbate. Hindi ho natin nababalita, pero parang mini Yolanda po.